Hi guys, this is Root. Today I'm gonna show you about this shattered glass background. I turn off the adjustment layers. Okay, as you guys can see, this shattered shape is a little bit bumpy and detailed. I think it is hard to make like this in After Effects, so I used it in Cinema 4D. Okay, today I'm gonna show you about how to make it in Cinema 4D and how to convert to After Effects. Okay, so let's start. Make a new scene, and first of all, in this spline tab, this one, it is called Vectorizer, and how it works. So I already prepared this image. It is called Voronoi diagram. It is made by some mathematician Voronoi using his rule. But I don't want to be too technical. This is not important. Just use it, right? So this shattered image, if I drag it to here, so something happened, right? So I think you guys already made a point. This tool makes some spline depending on this black and white color difference. But the point is, this tool recognize only the white and black color difference, not a alpha channel. What I want to say, I prepared another image. This is Voronoi alpha. But first one has black and white color, and second one has black color, and this space is not contain white color. Has only alpha channel value. So if I drag the Voronoi alpha to here, so nothing is generated, right? So if you guys use this Vectorizer tool, so you guys must use the black and white color difference image, not alpha channel. So I drag this one. Okay, and I think make some change angle a little bit up. 20, 15. 15 is not bad. And press C to edit this spline. So I don't want to use this. I don't have this out edge. Okay, and make some extrude and move this one down here. Oh, something's wrong. I should delete this edge too, but it is a little bit hard to remove only the edge side. So I recommend press U and W. UW command is that this command select only the connected edges. If I drag here and press UW, and this will select only connected edges, right? So drag it here and press UW and delete it. And now we have some this polygon, but it is glass. I think it is too thick, so change movement C about 4, 5, 4. Oh no, 5 is good. And next, make some MoGraph and fracture to use random effects. So move it down and change mode to explode and connect. Next, I'll adjust random effects. See, in Fracture, this mode, if you guys select default mode straight, so it means Fracture recognize these pieces as only one piece. So even if I change some random value, but nothing random is generated, because of this Fracture recognize these objects only one piece. So we should check explode and connect, right? So change some random position and random rotation too. It is absolutely up to you. Okay, make some random rotation and random Y position like this. A little bit rotate up. Okay, it's not bad. The next step, I wanna make some wind. So right click simulation tag and make some rigid body. But when I play it, auto pieces moves down because of some gravity. So I wanna press the Control D in project setting, in dynamic tabs, and gravity change to 0, and keyframe interpolation spline to linear. It means press Shift and F3 and change keyframe curve to spline to linear. It is absolutely same means interpolation to interpolation linear. Got it? Okay. Now I make a wind, particle and wind. Press R to change wind direction. You guys see this arrow? This is wind direction. So now I play it again. Okay, now now all of pieces moves up, but we have some problem. This wind speed value looks like speed, but actually it is not a speed. This is acceleration. What I want to say, when I play it, so this pieces moves up more faster and faster. First, it moves up to slow. Oh, play it again. First, it moves slow and move them faster, right? So about 5 frame, I wanna change speed to 0. So now it moves up the same speed, right? I like this. It is up to you. Okay. Next, I wanna adjust some material. So I prepared this image. Image is absolutely up to you. I drag it to here and adjust it. But if you guys can see, something is weird. I will render it. But this image is distorted, but something is strange. So when I turn up the random effects, right, something is weird. So to solve these problems in extrude and cap tabs and turn the create single object on. Okay, this one makes sense, right? Wait a second. I wanna show you some examples about checkerboard here, and replace here and change tile numbers up. So if we check this parameter and now extrude calculate the value of UV as a one piece, right? It is really important one. So replace it again, and tile number decrease. Okay, but this girl now this girl become a little bit fat, so I change length and offset. It's good. And I wanna turn up the specular. Got it. So now we have some another problems. Actually, this is shared glass, so you guys should focus on this edge side. It is shared glass, right? So in this side, this image should not shown, right? It doesn't make sense. So so if you guys click this material and in selection tab and type C1, but C1 mean is cap 1 on extrude, right? Cap 1 is C1 is cap 1. Now this material is adjusted only this cap 1, and copy it and type the selection, type the C2. So C2 is mean cap 2, right? Now this material is adjusted only front side and back side. Okay. Next, I'm gonna make some shared glass, little bit bumpy material. So double click it and change name to edge. Turn on the transparency and refraction preset to glass, and make some color, make some transparency color, and make some bump. Texture some noise. Let's see. I think Luca is great, and bump strength up crazily about 200, and adjust it. Now I render it. Oh, cool! You guys can see this bumpy detail. Okay, I think is it not bad. Okay, next step, I wanna make some light and camera. So make some camera and locate about here. Locate about here. And turn on the light, make some light. And change name to first one is key light, and copy it, locate about here, and change name to fill light, and third one copy it again, locate it very far backward, and change name to rim light, and decrease intensity down, down, and this one increase, I want to increase intensity crazily up, like this. this rim light makes some strong light at the edge side. Turn, turn, turn off, turn on. You guys can see this light is this light, right? Wait a second. I'm gonna render it. Change some resolution, render it. So this is turn off and turn on the rim light. See it? This one. Rim light is very important to make your scene. So okay. Next, oh, it's finished in Snap 4D, so I'm gonna render it. In this tutorial, I wanna render format. I wanna select the format of RPF. There are many good reasons why I use RPF, but this tutorial I'm gonna show you about this parameter Z depth. So check the format to RPF and check on the alpha channel and render it. So I already rendered about here. So copy it and hide it, and I adjust 3D channel extract. So and double click it, and now this effect can calculate the Z value. You guys focus on the this info tab, right and upside here. When I click, so now we can see the Z depth, right? So first step, I should farthest one, but like maybe this. Okay, -1351, and find the nearest one up maybe here. Okay, -52525. Okay, next pre-compose and change name to depth of field. Okay, now I adjust another effect. It is called depth of field. It is third-party plugins. I think you guys need to get. Oh, sorry. I think you guys need to get this one by yourself. So adjust it to here and change depth layer to this one, depth of field, and radius up. So what I want to do, this effect can make some blur, like actually realistic camera focus. If I click the here, check it, and if I click here, the focal point is on this side. This far side is focused out, right? Oppositely, if I click here, so the focal point on the focal point is on this side, and this near one is focused out. Oh, sorry, I'm not great English. It is a little bit hard to explain it, but I think you guys made about. I think you guys already made a point about it, right? This is a really very powerful techniques. Okay, and I think you guys already made a. I think you guys already have your own compositing skills. So I didn't. I'll not show you guys in this tutorial about compositing skills. So this tutorial is finished. Thanks for watching. This is Root. If you guys have some question or collaboration, cooperation, everything is fine. Just ask me using an email. So thanks for watching.